Chronic health conditions can be difficult to manage and can often seem overwhelming. However, there is hope, and it comes in the form of gratitude. In this video, we will explore how gratitude can help you to overcome chronic health conditions and improve your overall well-being. We will look at Gandhi's principles of change and gratitude, the benefits of conscious mental programming, and how a walking meditation can help you to transform your life.
Finally, we will discuss how veterans have been able to use health goals to help them manage their chronic conditions.
By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of how gratitude can help you to manage and overcome chronic health conditions. Gandhi's principles of change and gratitude.
Gratitude is one of the most important principles of change that Gandhi taught us. He showed us that it's not enough to simply exist in the present moment. We need to focus on looking towards the future and remembering all the good things that have happened in our past.
This way, we can create a powerful signal that can encourage others to follow in our footsteps. Moving away from a state of unhappiness and misery into one of gratitude creates a powerful signal that can help encourage others to follow in our footsteps. By living a life of gratitude, we are sending a message that we are content and happy with who we are right now. This is an important message because it shows people that there is hope, no matter what circumstances they find themselves in. This hope is something to be shared, and showing our gratitude can help motivate and inspire others to also strive for change.
Not only does this help others, but it also helps us by sparking a reinforcing cycle. We can take the energy from showing others gratitude to show gratitude to ourselves.
This in turn helps us continue to move forward and grow. By looking back at our experiences with appreciation, we develop a deeper understanding of our own journeys and gain a better appreciation for the experiences we have had. It's also important to learn how to measure your emotional state and determine which information is equal to your feelings.
Doing this will help you stay true to your values and convictions, even when things get tough.
By being principled, you are setting an example for others and promoting change for the better, even when it's hard. The benefits of conscious mental programming. There are countless benefits to being conscious mental programming. By becoming aware of our thoughts and feelings, we can begin to open the heart and receive information. This allows us to think more creatively, have more unlimited ideas, and even have subconscious programming that influences our experiences in life. One of the most important things that we can do for ourselves is to practice gratitude. Through feeling grateful, activity in the heart informs the brain that it is safe to create and have new ideas, leading to higher levels of creativity and allowing for more unlimited thinking patterns. This is why gratitude practices are so important. They help us access information that we may not otherwise consider. Moreover, tuning into our emotions can also help us gain insight into situations and provide us with clarity.
By accessing our inner knowing, we can start to gain insight into our motivations and desires, and how they align with our values and long-term goals.
This allows us to make more confident decisions, which can lead to ultimately greater fulfillment. When we start to pay more attention to our inner thoughts and feelings, we can begin to use that information to manifest our desires and create a more fulfilling life.
Relating to the heart-brain connection, we can use our understanding of our own emotions and thoughts to discover powerful ways to take action that aligns with our true desires. In doing so, we gain a much greater sense of connection with ourselves, our purpose, and our direction in life. Another way that we can program ourselves is by making mind movies with our future vision. This allows us to see exactly what our life will look like, no matter how impossible it might seem at first. And because this type of visualization is done consciously,
it leads to more subconscious programming that influences experiences in life. For instance, if you make a mind movie about winning the lottery,
chances are you're going to start playing lotteries more often just based on what you've seen in your movie, TV commercials also have a negative impact on people's mental programming by creating illusions about what people need in order for them to be successful.
People usually watch these commercials without questioning them or looking at any facts about what they're buying. They just take everything at face value and believe whatever message is being projected onto the screen. As a result, many people end up feeling unsatisfied with their lives or believing they need something external, like a new car, in order for them to be happy. Music has been used over time as a way of recalling memories from past events. Perhaps you've heard a song before and suddenly remembered where you were when you first heard it. The same technology may be leveraged for our own benefit when combined with mind movies made about our futures so that when certain songs are heard, memories evoking feelings associated with our future plans come up instead of those from our pasts. In other words, by focusing on feeling good about ourselves regularly, we set ourselves up for success by changing chemical composition within the body and activating gene expression meant increase immune regulation, strength, overall health, and well-being. Horror or violent movies watched before bed should be avoided. Instead, replace them with ones that make someone feel good about themselves, programming them into feel positive emotions ahead of restful sleep cycles.
Lastly, mindfulness practices like yoga breathing meditation help facilitate a natural hypnotic trance. Walking meditation, how it can help change your life. My meditation movie technology is used to reprogram the subconscious mind and help people experience profound changes in their health and lives.
Walking meditation can provide a powerful healing connection with oneself, but it's important to practice this same energy outside of meditation to make it become habit. By embodying a new, higher energy through walking, we can begin to think and act from that perspective, even when triggers like negative interactions arise. One war veteran suffering from PTSD, chronic pain, suicide ideation, and physical ailments went from using crutches during his first walking meditation experience at an event all the way to eventually ditching them before the end of his stay, evidence that true transformation is possible.
If you're looking for ways to change your life for the better, look no further than my movie technology.
Through guided meditations or self-guided walks, my technology can help you access deep levels of relaxation and healing.
My goal is to help people feel connected to themselves in a way that was never possible before
through their movies. With regular practice, walking meditation can provide lasting benefits such as improved mental health and physical well-being. When using walking meditation, it is important to be gentle and kind to oneself. Many people find that this practice is much easier when they focus on gratitude, appreciation, and love. Whenever a negative thought manifests, it is important to recognize it. Then immediately replace this thought with one that is more positive and loving.
Veterans' transformation through health goals. It's no secret that the military can take a toll on a person's body and mind. The physical demands of training can lead to injuries,
while the mental stress of combat can leave veterans feeling broken and drained. However, through hard work and perseverance, many veterans have found their way back to health and contentment. One such veteran is known as the hard guy due to his incredible physical transformation after leaving the military.
After experiencing intense wind whips during training that caused him extreme pain, he realized that he was in a healing environment.
This led him to pursue his own health goals instead of living in fear of injury. Through his story, many veterans were inspired to also pursue their own health-related goals, both mentally and physically. The best part about this story is that it's possible for anyone, even those who seem impossible, to achieve their dreams if they set their mind to it. Anyone can be hard guy if they want to. All you need is determination and some help from friends along the way. So friends, gratitude can be a powerful tool for managing and overcoming chronic health conditions. From Gandhi's principles of change to conscious mental programming and walking meditation, there are many ways we can use gratitude to improve our overall well-being. Additionally, veterans have shown us that by setting health goals and working hard towards them, anything is possible. Therefore, if you are struggling with chronic health conditions, take the time to practice gratitude each day and make small, achievable goals in order to create lasting positive changes in your life. God bless you all,